Swab test procedure. The kit consists of tube stand, instruction for use, test cassette, saliva dropper, antigen extract R1, extraction tube with dropper head, and saliva collection tube. Or the kit consists of saliva collection bag, saliva dropper, tube stand, instruction for use, extraction tube with dropper head, antigen extract R1 and test cassette. Reagent preparation. Place extraction tube on the tube stand. Twist the tip to open extra R1 container. Add all R1 into extraction tube by squeezing the container vertically. Sample collection. Cautions: do not drink or eat at least 1 hour before taking the test. Relax the cheeks and gently massage for 15 to 30 seconds with the fingers before the specimen collection. Bring the saliva collector or saliva collection bag close to the lips. Gently spit in it for 3 times. Let the saliva flow into the bottom of the collection tube or collection bag. Sample processing. Add 2 drops of saliva into the extraction tube by saliva dropper. Install the dropper head on the extraction tube. Shake the extraction tube vigorously to mix the saliva and the extraction buffer. Squeeze the tube at least 10 times to allow a thorough mixing. Add 2 to 3 drops into the specimen well of the test cassette and start the timer. Interpretation of results: positive, negative, invalid. Review the procedure and repeat the testing using a new test cassette.